Hey everybody, today I'm going to be putting out my favorite budget hummingbird feeder. This is the 16-ounce hummingbird feeder by the company First Nature. It is 100% made in the USA, which is pretty hard to find these days on these feeders. $4 at Walmart. Now it is plastic, so if you put it out in the sun over time it will fade, but for me it's been pretty good. I keep mine on my back porch. It doesn't get a whole lot of direct sun. This time of year when the migration starts, out of all of my hummingbird feeders, this is the one the birds seem to prefer. So let's go ahead and put it out. We'll see if we get any birds coming to it.